grounding means being exposed to the natural electromagnetic frequencies of the earth. So everything in our, everything in the world is vibration. Everything's vibrating. So if you remember back to, basic biology, basic chemistry class, we've got electrons, we've got protons, right? We've got these different atoms and they're vibrating, they're moving around. And so when we are exposed to this natural vibration that comes from the earth, we call it the electromagnetic frequency, that's very calming and healing for our body. All of our ancestors were exposed to it. I mean, it's not that long ago that we developed shoes, for example. We were always exposed to it. Most of our ancestors spent a lot more time out in nature than we do today. And they were, oftentimes, laying on the ground or, up against trees and, different parts of nature that exposed them directly. They had direct connection to this electromagnetic frequency. And so our bodies have naturally adapted to it. So when we're exposed, when we're in nature, when we're even on your front lawn, and you've got your bare feet on grass, dirt, sand, even concrete actually has a healthy electromagnetic frequency. The earth itself can actually penetrate through the concrete. We're being exposed to that. What blocks that electromagnetic frequency is actually rubber soles. And what do we have on our shoes? Rubber soles. And so if we don't have those rubber soles, if we've got, for example, bare feet, if we're maybe in our socks, even leather shoes, we're going to be exposed to that electromagnetic frequency. And that's really healthy. We're also exposed to non-native, harmful electromagnetic frequencies from our cell phones, from our computers, our different devices all over our house. There are harmful electromagnetic frequencies. These are new electromagnetic frequencies that have recently been introduced to mankind that our bodies have not had the time to adapt to, and therefore they're a stressor on our system. And so we're constantly kind of developing this level of electromagnetic dirt and dander on our body because we're being exposed to these. Going out and grounding your body, getting your bare feet on grass, dirt, sand, right? Like if you're at the beach, that's almost like showering your body from this dirt and dander, from this electromagnetic filth that is on our bodies, and clearing that off and allowing our natural electromagnetic signals to be calmer, to be more relaxed, to balance and get back into homeostasis from the electromagnetic stressors that we're constantly being exposed to. So grounding our body, doing that, I recommend, it can be as simple as 5 minutes a day, right? Just getting your bare feet, grass, dirt, sand, something along those lines. I try to do more, right? I'll do maybe 5 minutes in the morning, but, throughout the day, I try to get out barefoot on my grass, in my front yard or on the concrete, maybe playing with my kids, things like that, and try to get 30 minutes or an hour or more, depending on, your availability. The more, the better. Right? And that's, again, a calming electromagnetic frequency, going to be really good for the mitochondria, really good for relaxing and balancing your nervous system. Remember, unresolved trauma, stressful circumstances, as well as high toxic load or high pathogen load, these are the things that turn off mitochondrial energy production. So by calming the nervous system, that reactivates the mitochondria, gets the energy going.